the digital part is mainly the processes in the back end. That's one thing. So if the classical examples are policies or communication by the insurer still happening per post, for example, which is a little bit extreme. Thankfully, they've improved a lot. So making all of these things digital and getting as a customer getting your policy in real time, that's one part of digitalization. The other part I think has more to do with the customer experience. And for affinity business, it means that insurance should just be another service integrated in what's the customer experience of the partner in question. Which then again, for insurance companies sometimes is a bit tough because they want to be present as a brand.
Now that's also the reason why we have, let's say, integrated in our technology of Safe DrivePod also the communication tool to the end user.
Yes.
Because in our opinion, it is very important to communicate on the right topics in the right tone of voice to the end user. Because you want to connect to them, be involved, instead of you receive a paper about the premium for the next year or the increase or whatsoever. And that's not the relationship, in our opinion, what you need to build with, let's say, in the new world for insurance, you need to have communication tools.
The classic example is that the only time you speak as an insurance company, you speak to your customers when you sell the policy and then when you have a claim, which is the worst possible scenario, of course, to have contact with the client, historically speaking. So increasing those touch points, and I mean, you do white label business. It's something we use a lot as well with our partners, because the strongest brand in the eyes of the consumer, that's where you want to be. Right. So why care about building your own brand? I mean, it needs to be known and present. But the main thing is that you can offer the service you want to offer to your consumers.
That's also the reason why we have built in the SDKs, the APIs, and the communication tool.
API is a good topic. Speaking about digital, it's still a bit of a challenge.